I was sent this karaoke microphone and it is so much fun. My kids and I have been having an absolute blast singing to it. It has 6 different modes. So you can go here.
Professional.
And there's the professional mode.
Speech.
Speech, so if you're just gonna be talking, this is your regular voice.
Chipmunk.
This one's really fun.
Alien.
Okay, I love this one.
Original sound.
And then your original sound. Now, of course, it connects to Bluetooth. You can connect that through your smartphone, which is what we use. And then you can do all your favorite songs. And it is so fun. You can do it in like that pop star voice, which I need all the auto tuning I can possibly get. I love the light show that it does as well. This top part is like a fabric. So that's really good. If you're a really good singer, this is all very, very important stuff. And this is so fun. Now you can get 2 of these and you can sync them. So you can do duets, which is also awesome. This is one of the coolest karaoke microphones. It is lightweight, like super, super lightweight. And you're gonna love this. It is that good. And now here are my kids to share a few extra features.
I put on my headphones because I'm gonna test the microphone. So I'm gonna just plug it in where the circle is. And then you can't hear me, right?
Well, I can hear you, but I can't hear it as a microphone. And you can hear it as a microphone in your ear?
Yep, I can hear it in my ear.
Practice.
Yeah, you can like practice singing your favorite song or like. So you can change it to any color and it can be a nightlight.